Ciao dear Sicily lovers! Happy to see you again! How are you guys? Welcome to Sicily. Of course this is a live broadcast and I will let you know where we are. But right now, let's check Gianca.
Lasciala stare la signora.
Good morning, Gianca, you are live! Say hello to our friends! To our beautiful family of Sicily lovers! You don't believe me? Look at this!
You're crazy.
Gianca is leaving!
È pazza! She's crazy!
Good morning, Gianca! I'm disturbing you? You have to say hello, Gianca!
Guys, I don't know.
Ciao picciotte e picciotti!
She said that she would have made a live broadcast, but later, not now.
A surprise, a little surprise for you. Are you not happy?
You're very, very bad.
Yes, I know. I'm a bad girl, and everyone know that I'm a bad girl.
Guys, this is the evidence that I'm a slave. I'm a victim. I was sleeping. I'm very tired, and that it was my time.
You have no time to sleep. We have too many things to do because our Sicily Lover project is going on, and so you cannot sleep.
But also Gianca has to go home.
Yeah. So,
I can go on with Rosella. No chances to go home. I probably will die soon. It was my time to how do you say, to rest a little bit.
yeah.
Today is a strange day. We've been working in the morning with our how do you say, this is a supplier, and then we decided to visit one of the most interesting beaches here in the area of Palermo. It was sunny, and now it's suddenly it became a little bit foggy. Not cloudy, it's foggy.
But for a short break is enough.
So
good.
So the sun is just like veiled, and I decided to sleep because it's the most natural thing. When the sun is not hot, you can relax, but only if you are not with Rosella. So now you know that Rosella is a danger for me.
Why relax? For example, I'm making a lot of walking. Why relax? You have to be
Where
active.
did you go? Where did you go when I was sleeping?
To the end of the beach, right over there. And also to the other point.
Would you say
over there?
What's that point?
That point over there, if you are a good watcher, this is Torre Pozzillo.
No.
No? Over there, the Torre...
Rosella doesn't know anything. She doesn't know where she lives. She doesn't know where she stays. So that's the border of the airport. So this is another watchtower. This is not
you are right,
that's
Gianca.
not Torre Pozzillo, Rosella. This is the area of Magaggiari Beach, and we are in the middle between the village of Terrasini That's just there. You can see the port. And the area of Cinisi. Cinisi is just there, very close.
Behind
So
that
actually,
mountain.
this beach belongs to Cinisi, even if it's closer to Terrasini, and it's named Magaggiari. And it's a very beautiful, how do you say, coastline. Beautiful yellow color. This is, how do you say, pumice stone. Also,
And this is another.
No, this is limestone. This is limestone, not pumice.
But
Pumice is this.
we found the pumice because we are looking for pumice every day, every time. Why, Gianca? Would you like to explain?
This is pumice. If you don't know, pumice is a volcanic stone. It's very light. It's lighter than water, so you can see these stones on the surface of the water. They come out from volcanic explosions. They come out very quickly, so they I just say have no time to solidify, and they are full of air. That's why there are many vacant lots, vacant spaces inside, and that's why it's lighter than water. It's very tender. It's easy to work. That's why I used to make some, how do you say, artworks.
For example, my birthday gift.
Rosella's last earrings.
The Sicily shaped earrings. Yeah.
It's very easy. I would like to show you one day how I can work it. If you have some tools, electric tools, a drill, you can do it very easily. If you don't have it, you can use a knife. Very easy to break. You have to be careful because it's easy to break the entire stone.
And so you can lose your work. And of course, we are collecting pumice
So it could be
make.
It could be a necklace or a collar, for example. There are many stones. Show again.
And of course, every piece will be unique because it will be handmade, entirely handmade.
It could be, for example, the starting point of a heart, the necklace, and then we can make other
A pendant, for example.
yeah, other purse to make an entire collar. This is fantasy because we are involved now in the launch of our project. It's very we are very close to the goal. Today we've been talking about the all the shipping management, so shipping policy, return policy, all the tools to include in our website to give you the chance to make the easiest order. So without any email, without any call. So you don't need to call us to write us. You can do the most automatic thing. And as you know, we are including the most important couriers like UPS, like DHL. They are based in America. Also, they are American. They were born in America. So we say giocate in casa. It means you play at home. So you are in the best position to make your order with the lowest risk, because they are American companies.
With the tracking number, of course.
Yeah, tracking number. Everything is very safe. We've been discussing the way how to give you the chance to have a duty free, so you don't pay if you are in the United States. and your order doesn't go over $800, you don't pay taxes, you don't pay the duty fees, and this is very, very important for us to be convenient. So you can have your peace of mind. And so now we are working with the webmaster to include all the tools, the informatic, the
technical parts. Yeah,
the technical parts in the website. The website is about ready. It's almost ready, and Gianca is doing, I can say now, the last 2 videos regarding the artisans involved in the project. I'm working right now on the Sicilian potteries, and the last one will be Tania, so the jewelry made by Tania, the beautiful, the nice lady who lives in Montelepre. And there will be another one. There will be another video. That's very funny because nobody knows it, nobody believes it. In Sicily, also the t-shirts will be handmade. Not only hand-painted, but also handmade. That's why this is the first and perhaps the biggest 100% handmade in Sicily online store, because everything will be handmade. Also t-shirts. So it doesn't mean we import t-shirts from China, from Thailand, from I don't know where. We made t-shirt here in Sicily. There is a beautiful lady in Palermo, Gaia. She's a tailor. So we had a discussion with Frank Ragusa and our friend in Canada, and he said, no, this is not possible because tailors don't make t-shirts.
And it's true.
This is
also
true, guys.
in Italy.
This is true. Also in Italy, they don't waste their time to make t-shirts. But this is a special case because we can't include an item like t-shirt because it was, I just say, bad to make everything all made and include just one item. I just say industrial. So we can't stand it, and we've been searching for a long time the right person to make the t-shirts, and finally we found in Palermo. After we've been running all around Sicily, also in Italy, because we had an alternative in Rome, a company who makes t-shirt, but we said no, this is not enough because we want something Sicilian, 100% Sicilian, and finally we found Gaia. It was very nice, very kind, very patient with Rosella, because you know Rosella is she wants the moon. We say in Italian, we say non t'accontenti mai in Sicilian, in particolare chi vuoi la luna. Okay, Rosella wants the moon, so the earth is not enough for Rosella. She always looks for something more, something better.
I am a demanding woman, you know, Gianca.
Rosella is very demanding, and Gaia is very patient, and so it's an amazing team. They've been talking, discussing about the model. So actually, I'll be honest, first we will start with a regular fit model, nothing strange, nothing, I just say asymmetrical, nothing irregular. But step by step, in the second step, we will make something different. And the most important thing, of course, then our special friend in Alcamo, Ionella, will paint those shirts and give you the chance to have special Sicilian patterns, special Sicilian designs, following our logo. You know, our logo is the heart with the trinacria inside, with the Sicilian lady with 3 legs. But we have made other variations. So there is the the heart-shaped cartwheel, the Sicilian cartwheel, but with the heart shape. There is the shirt with the Moor's heads. There is the shed with the beautiful Sicilian landscapes. I think we have to include something like this because Ionella is not from Alcamo. She's from Palermo in East Sicily, a village on the slopes of Mount Etna, and she's very, very good to paint her mountain because she grew up on the slopes of Mount Etna. She always represents Mount Etna. But we have to include something like this because this is also beautiful. So sorry for the light. Today is not so shine, it's not so brilliant. Usually this coastline is a gold coastline. It's so beautiful, and the water, the sea is electric blue, just like Rosella's T-shirt. Where are you, Rosella? Just like Rosella shirt. This is a shirt, not a T-shirt. And so now it's time to. I have two chances, I have two possibilities. I can come back sleeping, or I can enjoy the sea. And it could be the first swim of the season.
Wow! So you are going to share your first bath swim with our friends.
With our friends, yeah, I can share this experience. Perhaps they will see me afraid about the water temperature, but
for me it's too cold.
Of course, Rosella.
Even in August, for me, the temperature is cold. I'm strange. Don't worry about the weather in Sicily, but it's my guilty. I'm the wrong one.
Rosella's astrological sign, zodiacal sign, is Aries. So it's a sign of fire.
That's why I have some problem with water.
Fire and the water fight each other. So she always says, "No, it's too cold. No, it's too cold. No, I don't want. Please, no." And I'm Aquarius. It's a air sign, but I'm very comfortable in the water. So I'm just like a fish. Always, the sea calls me, "Gianca, please come in." And that's why I'm doing. So Rosella, go ahead with our friends. I say hello. And I just say enjoy what's today? Today is Wednesday, so
yeah,
enjoy your day in wherever you are. I go. See you the next one.
Let's check Gianca. This is his first swimming. What about the water temperature? So.
A little bit cold.
Maybe we will lose Gianca frozen. Congratulations, Gianca! Wow, for me it's really too cold. Did. I can't believe, but it really did. For me it's too cold, just my feet. And He's swimming. He's still swimming. So guys, thank you for watching us. If you like this live broadcast, please share with your friends. See you very soon. We love you, and keep smiling, keep shining, share with the world your positive vibes, and we will do our best to bring the best of Sicily to you. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao, dear Sicilians!